Two popular knowledge tools, Obsidian and Evernote, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Obsidian, your second brain, Markdown-powered and fully local. On the right, Evernote, the digital notebook for everything, from tasks to clippings. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's the roadmap before we dive deep. We're comparing these two on, let me think, data ownership and portability, organization and discovery, note-taking experience, collaboration and sharing, pricing, extensibility and integrations, and migration and import-export. It's a lot, so stick around. We'll hit each category one by one and see who wins. All right, first up, data ownership and portability. So, Obsidian, you get full control. Every note is a local Markdown file just sitting on your computer. No sneaky cloud stuff unless you want it, which means privacy. And you're not locked into anyone's system. The flip side, though, is you've got to be a responsible adult and do your own backups. Hey, nobody's perfect. Now, Evernote, well, it's pretty much the opposite. All your notes are automatically synced to the cloud. No need to think about backup, but everything is locked up in Evernote's proprietary format. So if you ever decide to leave, tricky. Your notes aren't as portable as you'd hope. So for this one, Obsidian takes the win, hands down. Next up, organization and discovery. With Obsidian, you get bidirectional links and a slick graph view. And honestly, this is just super cool if you like connecting ideas. You can even amp it up with plugins for automatic indexing and workflows. But fair warning, setting up your system isn't instant. Takes a little effort and a sprinkle of patience. Evernote's classic, though. You've got notebooks, stacks, and tags. It's that digital file cabinet feel, plus solid search, even picking up text in images. But as your note pile grows, search starts to lag, and yeah, the links between notes kind of invisible. Still, Obsidian's linking magic wins this round. All right, note-taking experience. So Obsidian keeps things laser-focused. It's just you and a Markdown editor. If you want to think and write, no distractions. Awesome. But there's this little catch. Markdown isn't instantly friendly for everyone. And if you crave lots of colors and formatting, it's honestly a bit plain. Now, Evernote's got your back if you love rich note-taking. You get a WYSIWYG editor. Drag in images, take off checkboxes, bold things. Go wild. Plus, there's a web clipper for snagging articles straight into your notes. Sometimes the clipper can be a little iffy, and yeah, formatting does lock you into their ecosystem. Still, for comfy note-taking with all the visual bells and whistles, Evernote wins this category. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Obsidian actually lets you see your whole note library as a web of connected ideas, like a mind map or network graph, live and clickable. It's honestly the dream for creative thinkers, writers, anyone building a wiki-style second brain. Let's jump into collaboration and sharing. Obsidian's made some leaps here. They've got Obsidian Sync and plugins, so you can share vaults. It's definitely better than before, but compared to big cloud tools, it's not as buttery smooth. Meanwhile, Evernote is, well, it's built for sharing. You can hand off individual notes or whole notebooks, team up, comment, the whole 9 yards. Super easy, though team features do lean into paid plans. So sharing-wise, Evernote is the clear winner. Money talk. Pricing. Obsidian is kinda legendary here. The core app is totally free on every platform. You can use it locally forever. No strings. If you want sync or extra bells and whistles, sure, you pay for those. Some fancy plugins might cost a bit, but most folks never need them. Evernote? Free plans there, yeah, but lately prices have jumped for the good stuff, and the lower tiers are just, honestly, kind of stingy. So on value, Obsidian easily wins. Now, extensibility and integrations. This is where Obsidian totally flexes. There are so many plugins, it's almost overwhelming. Power users, you're gonna love customizing. The community is super active too, so there's always something new. But the catch? More plugins, more setup. Evernote, on the other hand, plays nice with business and productivity suites. So major integrations are covered, but it's basically stuck with official add-ons, so less wild tinkering. If you want endless possibilities, Obsidian takes this with no contest. And for migration and import-export. Obsidian and Evernote are surprisingly evenly matched here. Obsidian has tools and scripts for importing your old Evernote notes. Pretty handy. Everything in Obsidian can be exported as plain Markdown. super portable. Only thing is, you might lose some fancy formatting or note links along the way. Evernote exports notes as ENEX, which is, honestly, the import standard for lots of other apps. Still, those exports often need converting if you want to use them outside Evernote. So in this battle, it's basically a tie. Zooming out for a sec, let's check how each app stacks up overall. Obsidian kinda dominates in those privacy, organization, and customization categories, while Evernote really shines with user-friendly note-taking and team features. You can see the strengths and weak spots, crystal clear. So, should you pick Obsidian or Evernote? Here's my honest take. If you want total control, love linking your wild ideas, and maybe get a little nerdy with customizing stuff, Obsidian is seriously unbeatable. It's perfect for personal knowledge bases, research, creative projects. But if you just want to start fast, grab all sorts of content, and collaborate with literally zero setup, Evernote is way less hassle. The choice really comes down to how you think and work. All right, did this help you figure things out? I'd love to hear which app is calling your name. And hey, don't forget, you can totally import your Evernote notes into Obsidian if you want to try both out. Go explore, play around, and make your second brain your own.